Hi guys, welcome once again to Ian's vlog. What I want to talk about today is activities which you can actually endure whilst living in Switzerland, but I'm talking about activities which are basically firstly on your doorstep, secondly they're not going to cost you too much money, and thirdly they shall hopefully do something good and positive for your health. Because I believe that that's what Switzerland, living in Switzerland, is all about. Is actually enjoying the the outdoor activities which are available in the country. Usually in Switzerland at this time of the year, it is now the middle of June, and we would expect to be having sort of temperatures of about 30 degrees and stunningly beautiful weather. It's not always like that, but that doesn't mean that the weather's bad. Of course not. Yeah, we're looking at the good life. We are looking at the good life. So what I suggest is that we do something about these things here, take them off my fingers, put them on my feet, and let's go and do something. Let's go and do something on the doorstep, which is not going to cost too much money, and it's going to be good for our health. Come on, let's go.
It's bank holiday weekend, and there's no point staying at home, feeling sorry for yourself. It's raining outside. What can I do? Clean the house? No, let's go. Let's go and do some outdoor activities. Yeah, well, it's piddling down cats and dogs at the moment. Doesn't really bother me. I've got nothing against the rain, actually. But you do get the impression that within probably the next hour or so, either it is going to stop raining or the heavens are going to open up, you know. And if the heavens open up, then what the hell, you know, it's bank holiday Sunday. What else do you expect from a bank holiday Sunday? Yeah, well, it's about 1:30 on a Sunday afternoon, on a public holiday Sunday, and we're on the road now. It's piddling cats and dogs outside, but we're on the road and we're heading out to a place which is basically it's on the outside, on the outskirts of Zurich, just on the borders of Zurich, and it's called the Altberg, and it's a lovely place. It's idyllic, and we're going to walk all the way to the top, and hopefully we're going to walk all the way down to the bottom again. When we get to the top of the Altberg, actually, we're going to be visiting a little mountain restaurant, which is, oh my god, it must be hundreds of years old. You know, in fact, there's no electricity inside there. They just have these gorgeous ornamental oil lamps hanging from table to table. When we get there, you know, we'll take a couple of shots around, and I'm quite sure you'll be able to sort of envisage that atmosphere which he has. Hi guys, here we are on the way. We've already hit the hills, already out of breath, or maybe just out of condition. Well, we've hit the village of Weiningen. Obviously you can decipher from the name that it's a wine village, and we're going to leave the village immediately. We're going to thread our way through the countryside, the forest, and then we're going to conquer the Altberg. So, as I mentioned, where are we? As I mentioned before, either the heavens are going to open up or it's going to stop raining. No, I think the heavens are going to open up. Yeah, basically we left the car probably about 2 or 3 minutes ago, and we're already in this like idyllic part of the forest at the moment, and it's a different world. It completely is a different world from what we originally started out with. You think about 5 minutes ago we were driving along on the motorway. We're about 20 minutes from home, you know, literally a sort of doorstep stuff, and this is now we're just about leaving the village of Weiningen, and we're on the long track now. The track
is what they call in German. Actually, it's called a Wanderweg, and obviously it means sort of a Ramblers, official Ramblers track. So it's wherever you want to go, you know. And we're going up to the Altberg. Oh, beautiful! And actually, the rain doesn't. There's no disturbance whatsoever. No disturbance. The rain. I mean, the rain just delivers atmosphere. And yeah, there's one thing that you want inside a deep forest is a little bit of atmosphere. And you know, that 15 degrees, that 14-15 degrees temperature Celsius, I've got nothing against that. I'm quite happy with that. So yeah, let's enjoy an afternoon of walking, huh? Happy days. Yeah, it's getting really atmospheric now, and you know, one has to say that the hue green colouring is, you know, I've never seen so many different shades of green on one canvas, and it's all there. It's all there for us to enjoy. You know, it's one of life's simplest forms of entertainment is going into the forest. Hi guys, well, let's say we're almost there, wherever there is, but I think I can slowly feel that we're reaching the top of the Altberg, because as you look into the trees, or you look into the tree tops, you're beginning to see daylight. I think we're reaching just about the tip, so we've got a few more steps to go, which I'm not very happy about, but ladies and gentlemen and anybody else who is looking out there, we have reached the Altberg, and we're at 631 meters above sea level, and
Zürich would be about 3 hours walk from here. Well, I don't particularly want to do that. The only thing I want to do now is get in that little wooden restaurant over there, take off my wet clothes, sit down on my backside and order a cup of tea and a nice little cake or a biscuit. What can I see? Here we go. At last. So, what we got here? Tea, peppermint tea, and some Appenzeller baby littles. Bring it on. Oh. I think we're actually now beyond the term of atmospheric in the forest. I think it's now pissing cats and dogs in the forest, and I think it may be time to go home actually. But that's been well worth it. I mean, having said that, we're not home yet. We might bump into one or two more interesting obstacles on the way, but. As I just mentioned, you know, atmospheric in the forest, it's not atmospheric anymore. It's quite, it's coming down quite heavy now. But that's where we're going. Somebody told me down there about, I don't know, about an hour's walk down there. At least it's all downhill. But somebody told me there's a little red Jeep and it's waiting for me. All I have to do is go and find it.